Hello students, how are you? So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is Greek, Roman and American civilizations. So far we were seeing about the Roman civilizations. In that Roman civilization, today I am going to explain you all about literature, philosophy, art and architecture and science. So these are the topics today I am going to explain you. So let me start with the literature. Romans achieved a lot in the fields of literature. Virgil is Romans' greatest poet and Endymion was his epic poetry. Ovid is another great poet. So here what we are seeing in the Roman civilization, the poets are there and the great poets, they have given the great contributions. He has documented the mythical stories of Greek in his book, that is a Metamorphosis. Apart from them, popular poets like Cicero, Plautus, Thrasens and others are known names. Even Julius Caesar himself was a great historian. He has edited the Gallic battle in 7 volumes. So, the Gallic battle fought by Julius Caesar, he has written this and in the 7 volumes. So, this is about the literature. So, the next we'll see about the philosophy. So, Romans continued the philosophy and thoughts of Greeks, rather creating new ones. So, instead of creating a new things and all, so old philosophy thoughts and all, they continued. And the new ones, instead of new ones, they continue the old. Cato, who is known as an Socrates of the West, is of importance. So this Socrates, Plato and the Aristotle, they are in the Greek civilization, they are the famous philosophers. So in the Roman civilization, that is in Cato, is called as a Socrates of the West. And Cicero, Cynicus and Emperor Marcus Aurelius advocated Stoicism, and the famous theatre Colosseum and Amphitheatre are the two best Emperor Marcus Aurelius advocated Stoicism. It advocated living at peace with nature. So this is about the philosophy. So here the famous philosopher, that is, he is called as Socrates of the West, that is Cicero. Apart from the Cicero, there are the Seneca, even the Marcus Aurelius, they also are the famous philosophers. So next we will go to the art and architecture. So in the art and architecture, we will see the famous, that is theatre, amphitheatre, where the gladiators will fought with the human beings, sometimes with the animals. It is like an entertainment to the Roman emperors. So the famous Colosseum and amphitheatre are the best examples of the Romans, the architecture constructed by the Romans. And Pantheon means is the largest buildings of some with the biggest dooms. Clupidus statue and Arapasus statue are the best examples, sculptures of the Romans. So the next one, that is science. So the Romans had a deep knowledge in mathematics and science. Pliny the Elder prepared an encyclopedia named as a natural history. So delivering the human babies through cesarean operation, that is called as a C-section operation. Not even that, the vision correction eye operations were done in the Roman civilization. So Galen was the famous doctor of Romans period. Strabo and Ptolemy were the famous geographers of that time. So here in the Roman civilization, what we are seeing about the literature, philosophy, art, architecture and science. So in the literature we have seen the famous poets. They have given their great documents in a mythological stories. Even the Julius Caesar himself was a great historian. He has written the battle that is called as a Gallic battle fought by him. He has written in 7 volumes. The next one, that is philosophy. So here the famous philosophers also are there. Cicero is called as the Socrates of the West. Art and architecture, the famous constructions of the Roman civilization, Colosseum and the amphitheater, the huge famous architectures. Science, in this field we have seen that they have given their best. The Romans had a deep knowledge in the mathematics and the science. So here they have written the encyclopedia also, and the operations, that is here delivering the human babies through cesarean operation, that is called as an C-section operation. Not even that, they used to do the operations with the correcting the vision. And so these are the things of the Roman civilization. Here the Roman civilization is end. So tomorrow again I am going to continue with my same lesson. I hope you are understanding, students. Thank you so much.